A warm good morning. We are from St. John's Matriculation Higher Secondary School. We are class 12 BM. I am Tanya Cecilia Forrest.
I am Mr. Varshini.
We are going to explain how to play the Pay 5 Play 4 game.
Welcome to round 2. Test your memory. As soon as the cloth is removed from the board, you have to memorize the sequence of the shapes given in the board, and then you will be given the shapes. You can arrange the shapes in the given sequence correctly. Thank you.
Good morning. I am from St. John's Matric Higher Secondary School. I am Deepika of class 11 Science. Now we are going to explain a conic section. A conic section is a curve on a plane that is defined by degree polynomial equation in two variables. It is classified into four groups: circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola.
Parabola. Parabola has enormous significant applications from an explanatory radio wire or allegorical amplifier from the plane of long-range rockets. It is habitually utilized in material science designs and numerous regions.
Ellipse. Many real-life situations can be represented by ellipse, including the orbits of planets, moon, boat keels, rudders, and some airplane wings. A medical device called lithotripper used to break up kidney stones by generating sound waves.
Hyperbola. In many real-world situations can be represented by hyperbolas, including the relationship between pressure and volume of gases. Lenses and monitors objects designed for use with our eyes makes it heavy use of hyperbolas. These objects include microscope, telescope, television. Thank you.
To all. First of all, I welcome you with the immense pleasure to our math exhibition. I am M. Vinisha from 10th B. Myself and my friends took an interesting topic to exhibit our talents through this math expo. Yes, the topic is function. Now, my friend will explain what is function.
Hello, I'm Vashni Priya of class 10. Functions, special relations are important for further exploration. Such relations are called function. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y, where x is one x belongs to x and one y belongs to y, such that x, y belongs to f. I hope my next explanations have made you to understand what is function. Now, my friend will explain you about the types of function.
Hello, I am Anuksha from class 10B. I am going to explain about the types of function. There are 5 types of function. They are 1-1 function, many-one function, into function, onto function and 1-1 onto function. In these 5 types we are going to explain one by one. Let my friend start over with the first function.
Okay, let me start with 1-1 function. A function f a tends to b is called a 1-1 function if distinct elements of a have distinct images in b. A 1-1 function is also called as injection. The next one is many-one function. A function f a tends to b is called a many-one function if two or more elements of a have same image in b. The third one is 1-1 and onto function. Distinct elements of A have distinct elements in B, and every element in B has a pre-image in A. The process of converting one form to other form and receiving the required information is called bijection. This process is widely used in the study of secret codes. Called cryptography. A 1-1 and onto function is also called as 1-1 correspondence. Now, my friend will explain you the rest.
Okay, let me explain about the into function and onto function. Onto function. A function f a tends to be said to be the onto function if the range of f is the proper subset of codomain of f. An onto function is also called a surjection. Range is equal to the codomain. Into function. A function f a tends to be is said to be the into function if there exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of A. That is, the range of f is a proper subset of codomain. Not only these 5 types of function, there is one more special information about the function. Let's see what is that.
Yes, it is the last one but not the least. Now, let me explain about the special cases of function. It will give you more information about the function. Now, I am going to explain about constant and identity function. Constant function. A function f a tends to b is called a constant function if the range of f contains only one element. In this function, codomain is equal to single set. The next is identity function. Let A be a non-empty set, then the function f by f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to A is called an identity function and it is denoted by IA. Hope our explanation satisfied your expectations. Thank you.
I'm editor of class 12 series and our topic is network topology. What is network topology? Network topology is physical logical algorithm of nodes and connection in a network. These are nodes and these are connections. The first is bus topology. Bus topology employs a single cable to connect all the nodes. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected to tracks and droplets. Droplets are nothing but the connections between the bus and the nodes. If a main central cable is damaged in a bus topology, the entire network will fail. The next is ring topology. Ring topology is also known as ring network. In this topology, each computer is linked on both the sides. The last computer is linked to the first, forming the ring. In this topology, it contains less cabling and each device has equal opportunity to send and receive the data. The next is mesh topology. Mesh topology has various connections and it is a network signal between the computer and the network device interconnected with each other. Mesh topology is extensive and challenging to maintain and manage the data. Communications are extremely fast in mesh topology as it has various connections than any other topology. The next is tree topology. Tree topology is known as diagonal topology as the network connects several topologies into a single bus. This topology is also known as star-based topology because it contains several star topologies into a single bus. Tree topology is a standard network topology similar to bus topology and star topology. If the primary central fails or disconnected, the all other nodes will be disconnected. The next is star topology. Star topology is a hub that connects all the networks in a single cable. You can use this type of topology in local area network as it is easy to set up and low cost. Star topology provides that if one computer node got damaged, the one can be replaced and the other will remain to work. So heavy network traffic can extremely make the transfer slow.
Last but not the least, hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is the combination of two or more topologies, that is, bus topology, star topology, and tree topology. Ours contains various benefits of various topologies and quite extensive, and creating hybrid topology is a difficult task.
Among all these topologies, bus topology is the cheap one and it is used among small-scale industries. Even though it is cheap, in our current generation, we are preferring star topology as if one node is replaced and it can be worked on, the other nodes will remain worked.
So that in our school also we are using star topology.
Thank you.
Good morning to all. I'm C. Ashwita of class 10. Today I'm going to explain about Pythagoras theorem. Among all existing theorems, Pythagoras theorem is considered as the most important because it has maximum number of proofs. There are more than 350 ways of proving Pythagoras theorem through different methods. Each of these proofs was discovered by eminent mathematicians, scholars, engineers, and math enthusiasts, including one by the 20th American President James Garfield. Now let's see what the Pythagoras theorem says. In a right-angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. This theorem is only applicable to right-angled triangles. In this, we have a fixed base of 30 cm. We have a standing mechanism as perpendicular, which can increase or decrease. For example, the perpendicular line is 12 cm, base is 30 cm. That is, if we do the calculation, the approximate value of hypotenuse is 32.31 cm. I have derived the above answer using the formula hypotenuse is equal to root of height square plus base square. Thank you.
Okay, started.
Good morning to all. So, project name is digeometric automated equation. A spirograph is a geometric drawing machine that produces roulette curves. A roulette curve is a curve that is described by a point called generated or pole. A curve attached by a curve as that curves roulette without slipping. It is used by manufacturing, communicate with distance of engineers and manufacturers.
எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க அப்படியே. அவ்வளோதானா?